Wait, please don't use the rotary cutter around your hand. I'm going to show you how to do it a safer way. Hi, welcome to my sewing channel. My name is Delilah, and today I'm going to show you how to sew a pocket into a dress. This pocket tutorial will also work on skirts, shorts, pants, etc. And what I have found is even when I pick a pattern, if it does have a pocket, if it includes a pocket in the instructions, I still don't ever use their template. And I'm going to show you a super fast way to do it, and all you need is your hand. Okay, you're going to want to cut a straight edge. You're going to want to layer 4 pieces of fabric. Make sure that they're mirror imaged. So these sides are going the wrong ways. Okay, so we got 2 that are back to back, 2 more that are back to back. And then you just take your hand and you put it like this, and that is the shape of your pocket. Let me do this hand. Then you're going to want to take a marker or a Sharpie, whatever you choose, and you're going to mark it just like this. And that will be your template. And then you can just take your scissors and start cutting it out. That is a much safer alternative. Okay, so this is going to be your pocket. So now let's get the skirt. Okay, and then here's your skirt. And so you're gonna take one piece and put it right sides down, another one, put it right sides down. You will place your top piece on top of that, and you're going to slide the other part of your pocket right sides together with the top piece, and you're going to clip that in place. And you're only clipping it to the top piece. This is just so that we have a perfect placement when we sew them together. Now I'm going to take it over to the sewing machine and sew down each area. So basically you're going to have 4 different pockets right now that you're sewing down. Okay, so now I finished sewing down all the pockets. So they look like this. So lay your skirt down flat, right sides together, and you're going to extend the pockets out so they match. So the top and the bottom match. And then we're going to take it to the sewing machine again, and we're going to sew down, and we're not going to sew right here. We're going to sew like this, out, around, and down. Sew down and around and back down. So I'm just going to clip them in place. I actually learned this method years ago from a channel here on YouTube called, I think it's called Made. I don't know. I'll put the link in the descriptions tab below. So now we will take it over. I'm going to actually serge these 2 sides together. If you are finding this video helpful so far, then consider subscribing and give me a thumbs up. Okay, so this is our first side. and we didn't stitch in there. Now we'll move on to the other side. Okay, we're coming up on this curve, so you'll see that I just keep it straight. See, and so then I just feed it in just like this. Okay, and that's what this side looks like. And here is the pocket. Let me turn it inside out. Okay, now we have a pocket right here on this side. And here's our other pocket right here. Super easy. Okay, super easy, right? Let me know what you think. I honestly use this method every single time I sew in a pocket, and I love pockets and they're a must-have, but they are time-consuming, but this is a quick way. So I hope that you found this tutorial beneficial. Make sure to check out, I have a lot of interesting tutorials that will help you sew a lot faster. Okay, so I just want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. And until next time, happy sewing. Bye, guys.